Good morning students. Today I am going to start an interesting topic, apparent weight of a man in moving lift. So before starting this topic, first we know what is weight. Actually, weight is a force with which it is attracted toward the center of the earth. Right? So in this situation, when a man is standing on a platform of a weighing machine, then he exerts a force on the platform of a weighing machine in downward direction, which is equal to weight. Okay. In turn, the platform of a weighing machine exerts a force on the man, that is known as reaction, which is equal to weight of a man. Means the reaction of weighing machine gives the weight of a man or of a body. Okay. So consider a man of mass m is standing on the weighing machine placed in a lift. So let us find the weight of a man in following situation. The first situation is that when lift is stationary or moving with uniform velocity. Suppose it may start with uniform velocity in upward direction or it may fall in downward direction with uniform velocity. Now write force on man due to reaction of weighing machine. Means R equal mg in upward direction. Okay, since acceleration in lift A equal to 0 because it is in right position. Okay. Now force on man due to motion of lift is equal to 0 because F equal to ma. A equal to 0, then F equal to 0. Therefore, net reaction of weighing machine R dash equal mg plus 0 is equal to mg. Apparent weight of a man remains same when lift is stationary or it is moving with uniform velocity in upward direction or when he is moving with uniform velocity in downward direction. Now in second case, when lift is moving with an acceleration a in upward direction, means this lift is moving in upward direction with acceleration a. So force on man due to reaction of weighing machine is equal to mg. Then force on man due to motion of a lift equal to ma. So reaction F in upward direction, force on man due to motion of lift also in upward direction. Therefore, net reaction of weighing machine R dash equal to mg plus ma. Okay. Now n is common, g plus a. Thus, apparent weight of a man will be more than his actual weight when lift is moving with acceleration a in upward direction. Now in third case, when lift is moving with an acceleration A in downward direction, means whole lift is moving downward direction with uniform acceleration A, then force on man due to reaction of weight machine equal to mg. Then force on man due to motion of lift is equal to ma. To say lift is moving downward, it means this force on man due to motion of lift act in downward direction, but reaction act in upward direction. Therefore net reaction of weight machine R dash equal to mg minus ma, because this force acting vertically downward. So m is common, so R dash equal to m g minus a. Apparent weight of a man is equal to R dash equal to m g minus a. Thus, the apparent weight of a man is less than actual weight when lift is moving with acceleration A in downward direction.